Hello, I'm Dr. Tina Ramachander. I'm into the practice of skin, hair and nail in its health, disease and aesthetics. So I have a special interest in lasers and dermatosurgery, and I practice at Dr. Tina's Skin Solutionz in Sahakarnagar, Bangalore. So chapped lips is medically called as Cheilitis simplex. This is so universal, I'm sure all of us have had it at some point or the other. Now chapped lips is caused by several reasons. One is when you are having a nutritional deficiency. I find this to be the most common cause, like iron deficiency, vitamin B12 and also your B complex. The next thing which is relatively common is the usage of lip cosmetics. Having very warm beverages, exposing yourself to dry winds, a lot of sun, also drooling when you sleep, having insulin resistance in the body. Along with this, it also occurs due to intake of certain tablets, diabetes, etc. So the treatment of chapped lips is to treat the cause. So a detailed history is taken by a skincare practitioner, and along with that, prescription medicine can be given to help alleviate the issue. But apart from this, what you should be personally aware of is drinking a lot of water, having a good amount of greens and omega-3 content into your diet, and using a plain bland cosmetic like a petroleum jelly, for instance, is very healing on your lips. So you should avoid picking on your lip and also licking the lip very often. This is some of the best practices to avoid chapped lips.